I will start with a story. There was a boy coming from a very, very poor family. He wanted to achieve something because he had something special. He had a great intellect. He realized it at a very young age. He saw the rich people at that time and he was instantly attracted. He said that although I am working in a small shop as a laborer, but I will study, I will work hard, I will become a millionaire. And yes, he did that. He worked in the shop in the morning as a servant. In the night, he went to his hut and he studied. His manager was very happy. He arranged for all the books, his schooling, and he kept on progressing. And because of his wonderful progress, his school also promoted him. They gave him all the required things. They gave him all the discounts, or they gave him free education, and he kept on progressing and progressing, never turning back. He got a very good job, and with that job he kept on changing the jobs, switching the jobs, continuously upgrading himself, working 8 hours, 10 hours, 12, 16 hours. He was mad at working hard, and wherever he worked, there was just appreciation, love by all the people. And during that time, he fell in love with a girl, and she was daughter of a millionaire. And very, very soon, at the age of 35, he achieved everything he had desired for. A big house, right? A bungalow, you can say. Lot of cars, iPhones, you name it, he got it. But that day was not very pleasing for him. When he got up, he said that, where am I? And people said that you are in the hospital, you were in the office. He said, yeah, I remember that. You were in the office, you felt very, very uncomfortable. You were complaining about pain in your chest. We took you to the doctor. Doctor said, this guy is suffering from a heart attack. Somehow you have managed to survive. But that was the thing he realized. That was the time he realized that he had screwed up his entire life. May I ask you one question? That would you like that kind of life? Would you accept a life in which you get everything, whatever you desire? You get a lot of wealth. You get all the material comforts. Also a partner of your choice, right? But you have to compromise on your health, like that guy, right? Would you accept that? Would you accept an ill body? You will say, no, we don't want that. Yeah, I agree that you are smart enough, that you are saying that we don't want this, but it is not just question about the wealth, right? Not all of us are mad for wealth, but still you can substitute wealth for a bad lifestyle. Indeed, there are problems in our lifestyle, and due to that, our situation can also be, I hope that before our situation becomes like that, we improve, we take corrective actions. And I'm sure that not all of us are living a very, very poor lifestyle. But yes, that's a big concern. So what I am trying to say is that we were born, we were gifted this life, you can put it that way, not to become ill. God did not want us to become ill, so He sent us on this beautiful earth. Right? If that was the case, then why on earth we would have been here? Right? We are supposed to live a very healthy life, a very happy life, and it will all start with a good lifestyle, with a good body. Right? What is good health according to me? My definitions are more simple compared to other. A body in which, a life in which we get good sleep. A life in which we are healthy, we are energetic, we have good digestion, right? We are peaceful, we interact with people, we are likable, we like people, they like us, we have all the required comforts in our life. So this, according to me, is a good life. Let me put it another way, simplify for you. according to me, a good body, breath and mind. This combination is, if we are in control of our body, if we are in control of our breath. Not many people will tell you about the breath. Yes, I will tell that. It is very, very important. And mind, a peaceful mind. If this combination is proper, my friends, then we are in the correct situation. But if there is any compromise on any of these, then yes, there will be troubled times ahead. Because you see, our body is a wonderful instrument which has been gifted to us by the Almighty. It is trying very, very hard to somehow adjust it. Although there are a lot of problems in the nature right now, right? Global warming, lot of pollution, and lot of negativity around, and you add our poor lifestyle, right? Not being in control of our timings. There is no discipline. Maybe we don't eat hygienic food all the time. There is negativity in us. So all this, when you add up, still our body tries very, very hard to somehow make sure that things don't go out of the place. Like I told you about that guy who suffered a dangerous disease at 35 years. So his body tried very, very hard. His body had already realized when he was 10, 12, 14 years age that things are not good. But still it kept on trying to make sure that things stay in order. But then it gave up. Similarly, suppose our lifestyle goes totally in the incorrect direction, then at one point of time, like a balloon, like if you put more air in the balloon, sometime it will just burst. So somehow something will happen, be it physically, be it mentally. There is a possibility of a disease. Let's not get too negative, right? But something our body and our mind can only take up to something, right? Because if we violate the rules designed for us, then there will be definitely problems. So the topic today I have decided is to explain you about Om, right? But I just went into the background so that we understand the perspective, that what kind of things we have to take care. So talking about, I told you that three things are very, very critical according to me for a good life: breath, body and mind. So here I am telling you about the breath, right? Om. Om is the word, Om is the secret syllable. Many people say that this was the beginning of the universe. The first thing which came into the universe was the word Om. And many people have realized the instant benefit of that word. 3 syllables. A, O, Ma. It is not Om, it is Om. When we say you put your hand on the abdomen, you will see a vibration. When you say Om, it will go inside, right? And then it will come outside. So is coming from the navel, the abdomen region. It means to start the creation. Then if you put your hand here, U will come from here. It means progress. It means growth. This left. And when you say it will come from the nose. You will see the vibrations here. It means peace. It means tranquility. It means a great position, great situation of the brain. So all the 3 syllables have got great significance. They say Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, if you are interested in Hindu religion. So a normal person, when he breathes, in 1 minute he just breathes around 12 to 15 times, right? When he's running, it can go up till 20 to 25 times, right? When he's doing exercise, it can go higher. When he's in the gym, and when he's angry, it can go up till 70 times. That's a punishment, right? But a person doing Om, it has been observed that he just breathes 4 times in 1 minute, and gradually if your breathing becomes even more deep, it can take around 20 seconds. So in 1 minute you will be able to do 3 to 4 Omkars. That means extra oxygen, right? every time you do inhalation for 15 seconds, right, 15 to 20, so you are giving your body around 8 to 10 seconds of extra oxygen. So suppose you do around 5 to 10 minutes Omkar in the morning, or 5 to 10 minutes Omkar in the afternoon, and around 10 minutes before going to bed. So it means around 1 hour or 2 hours if you do it for 10 to 15 times of oxygen. What is happening to our body due to bad lifestyle and due to all the things which I told you, global warming, excessive use of digital devices, and so much pollution, our body parts are not in a proper situation, right? Our heart is not functioning properly according to its optimum capacity. Due to negativity, our brain, there is anxiety, stress in our brain. Our digestion, because of poor lifestyle, poor food, there is problem in our digestive system. But by getting more oxygen, right, by getting more oxygen, it is like in this heated world where there is so much of heat, the moment we start AC, air conditioner, we feel relaxation. Similarly, when we get more oxygen, our body also feels that kind of tranquility, right? When a baby is born, EEG is done on their brain, on their heart, and there are theta waves. Similarly, if EEG is done on our brain, there would be just gamma or beta waves. Alpha waves means we are in a very, very blissful situation. But person doing regular pranayama, right now we are just talking about Om. So person doing Omkar and other pranayam, again theta waves will be detected in that person. That is the power of Om. Just you make a schedule for yourself. You will go to the bed at the right time till 10. You will wake up at 6. You will get minimum 7.5 to 8 hours sleep. And the moment you get up, you'll go to the washroom, you will wash your face, you'll brush your teeth, and without doing anything else, picking up the mobile, don't pick the mobile, just do 5 minutes of Om. And that would be a beautiful start of the day. Lot of the other things I will discuss later on. Every day I do wellness sessions in the morning, so I discuss everything in different videos. I will tell you about different things, but right now, today I am just explaining you about good health, yoga and Omkar. So let us do Omkar 2 times today. I will show you how to do, and we will end this video at that point. Okay, sit properly, make sure your breath back is straight. Take a deep breath, not from here. Most of us just breathe from here. Start from the stomach area, abdomen. We have took more bigger inhalation, and then excellent. Again, take a big breath. Inhale. Excellent. 2 things if you tell me that Tarun, just tell us 2 things, summarize 2 things which are very, very easy, which are very, very doable for our good health. I'll tell you just 2 things. Take 8 hours of sleep. Go to the bed exactly at the same time and take 8 hours of sleep. If you are able to get little bit less every day, then make up on weekends. Alright. So 8 hours of sleep and do 10 to 15 minutes or minimum 10 times 10 minutes Omkar. Right. In 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening. Thank you so much for listening.